Hey everybody, this is Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris
and Joan's Travels.
Hey, this is laundry day here on the Getaway.
Ever wondered how to do your laundry on a cruise ship? Well, we were on the NCL Getaway in April of 24, and we decided to make a video on how to do the laundry because everybody always asks, hey, how do you do your laundry? The video you're looking at here is when we did the tour. This is the laundry. These are the guys that do the laundry for us. So what we're going to do is take a couple seconds and we're going to show you the process of getting your laundry down to these guys to do the laundry. I hope this helps.
And we got our laundry bag.
So
and we got a Sharpie. Very important, so you write on your laundry bag.
So this is the laundry bag that they give you. They hang it up in the closet. So this, actually pretty big. What's, you know, dimensions, kind of?
Nope, no clue.
We might get that later. I have a tape measure. I do have a tape measure.
But then, you gotta put your name on it.
So make sure.
I'm going to use Joan's name because I've already done a bag. Put your stateroom number. And you put the date, and today's date is, I don't even know, 16. The other thing you're going to do is write your level if you're plat.
So if you're platinum and above, each person gets one laundry service per cruise. So if you're platinum and above, because sometimes one person's platinum, one person's not. So each platinum and above, gets a laundry.
A free load of laundry.
One laundry bag. And then if you are in a
club balcony,
which we are, you
also get a
one for the room.
So keep that in mind. You want to write, if it's for your platinum, you write your platinum in this. And we did laundry the other day, and I wrote club balcony on it. This way you don't get charged.
Because otherwise, this is what
the prices
are.
And they're not cheap.
Yeah.
Per item.
And we will show you what we do later. You do have to fill this out. Yeah, obviously they don't charge you, but you fill this out, and you put that there. So, but we're going to finish this when we pack it. Come back and show you. But yeah, so everything is charged individually. Now I don't know if they didn't do it because we're in a club balcony. We already get the free laundry, but usually halfway through, they send out one of these bags, and it's a bundle service.
50% off.
Yeah, so it used to be $29.95, but someone said that it's gone up to maybe $32 something. But it's whatever you can fit in this bag goes in. So you put all your stuff in this bag. And then if you have it, we're midway and they come up with the bundle service, it'll be one price for everything in it. Otherwise, you are getting charged individual prices. So we will fill our bag. Go.
So you got to make sure you count everything. And I've counted everything but the t-shirt. So 1, 2,
don't need to do that.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you write that on your thing. We have 10 t-shirts. Now, the key to this bag is you want to make this as small as you can to fit more into it.
So whatever you can fit.
Because that's all you get is what fits in here.
And then some people have done a little hack tip is they'll bring the pillowcase from home. If you bring an extra large case, and you put all your stuff in a pillowcase, and then this way it doesn't necessarily rip the bag.
So Joan's going to have to come over and hold that open just like that for me, just so we don't rip the bag.
Because all it is paper.
It's really thin paper, and then you just feed it in nice and gently.
Whatever you fit inside here is what you're allowed.
Don't rip it. Go slow, go safe. Maybe it reached it.
This was difficult than last time. Usually I have a free hand and help them, so that was the weird problem. Let me stop. So this is, you don't necessarily, from what I understand, have to actually seal it, so You just have to have fitted inside. So we stuffed it.
You're sending 35 items today.
And then you do have to, so this is what you need to, then you just leave it on your bed in your room steward. And then on this, also as he shows you, you have to write, so if you're platinum, you need to write this on this slip. And if you're club balcony, you're going to want to write club balcony so you know that you don't get charged. If you're club balcony, you get 1 per stateroom. And if you're platinum, you get 1 per person. And then you have to write down total amount of items.
Where was that?
Well, down here. I mean, each one.
That's dry clean, but
Yeah.
that's not what you want.
No.
Under special instructions, something we learned was Joni likes low heat. So you're supposed to put low heat.
Whether they do that, and we'll write that on here too.
So.
And then you do have to date it, and you have to, well, not date it, but you do have to sign it. They won't take it if it's not signed. You fill out the information. So basically, this is how we have done it and it works. And we'll show you what the
Finished
product looks like. And hopefully, within 48 hours, we did it 48 hours. We'll getting it today, our last one. But they said that the crew was off. The crew went into the port yesterday, so I don't think everybody was working. So hopefully we'll get it back today, and hopefully this one should be 24, 48 hours. So
Yeah, our first load came back in 24 hours.
yeah. All right. So we will show you what the finished load looks like. All right, and here is our laundry coming back. This is how it comes back to you in the basket, all wrapped up. All nice and folded and pressed. So
All folded neatly.
folded neatly. So this is how you get it back. Oh, this is information in case you care, unless you need to know. So this is Chris and Joan from Chris and Joan's Travels. Thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, leave some comments. We really would like to hear the comments, but like and subscribe really would be helpful.